Welcome to the best natural bodybuilding channel.
All right, guys, welcome back. It's your boy Alex, and I'm back with another video. Today we'll be talking about the step-by-step guide for bodybuilding, guys. I know it's a lot of you guys, you're getting into working out and you feel kind of intimidated by going into the gym. And I want to let you guys know that, intimidation going to the gym might be something that everybody feels because it's something new. We all knew. It's just like, even if you experience bodybuilding and you go into a new gym, you might feel a certain way, right? You got that nervous feeling because it's a new gym. You know, how am I looking? You're concerned about your physique. You hear about these people, big muscular dudes in the gym. But I gotta tell you this one thing. Don't be scared because the same feeling you feeling, other people are feeling around you. You just gotta come in there and be the best you could be. I know it sounds, something that you heard, it sounds cliche or whatever, but it's a fact. I got a couple notes here that I'm gonna be looking at as well. But everybody's scared. The best thing you can do is get dressed and go into the gym. Once you walk into the gym, you probably don't know what to do, but I'm gonna give you the guide right now. If you are feeling afraid and you're freshman in the gym, you don't know what to do, sometimes the best thing to do is ask the biggest guy in the gym. He has the most experience, he's been through it all. And I'm telling you guys right now, don't be scared, don't be intimidated by him, because he'll be the person to give you all the game and he'll teach you the right way to do things. The biggest dude in the gym is usually a cool dude because the biggest guy is usually the most passionate guy in the gym, right? He enjoys this shit, he loves it. He's gonna be the guy to give you all the game. He's gonna enjoy talking to you because he's passionate about bodybuilding, so he wants to give off this information. He wants to feel special, and he's just passing knowledge down. It's just like me. I enjoy doing it. When people come up to me in the gym, I love giving them game. I like to tell them exactly what I'm doing and how to do it, and I basically tell them, hey, listen, start off with the bar, okay? Especially because everybody wants to bench press heavy, they want to deadlift heavy, they want to squat heavy. I would say, start off with the bar, get the form right first, and then you add on. And from there, you're going to build the strength, but you're going to do it the right way without being injured, right? And the form is going to be perfect. You're going to be able to execute and hit the muscle properly, all right? Another way, people, if you are intimidated and you feel like, I'm not really motivated to go to the gym, watch my videos. I'll motivate you all day. And to be honest, sometimes all this shit can be done in the comfort of your own home. So you really don't need to be in the gym if you can get busy in the comfort of your own home. Grab some dumbbells, grab some resistance bands, grab your own body weight and get busy. I got a bunch of videos where I'm doing full body workouts at home. Another thing is that you can do is find a gym partner. I know you guys got friends, like-minded individuals that's trying to get the gains that you're trying to get. And a gym partner can definitely be helpful for you to get motivated to getting into the gym and to pushing you to get further, right? To take you to that next level that you want to get to. And you'll be working hand in hand. You'll be helping each other out. What exercises should you do when you get into the gym? All right. I would start with warm-ups, push-ups, pull-ups, dips, sit-ups, body weight squats. Those are staples. Stretching. Those are things that you need to do. But for us dudes, we want to hit the bench first, right? We want to hit that chest. So I would say, yo, definitely hit the chest, hit the bench press, flat bench, incline bench, decline bench. All right, the exercises you should do is, you should start with the bench, right? Flat bench, incline bench, decline bench, shoulders, right? If you're gonna do shoulders, well, when you're gonna do shoulders, you wanna hit the overhead press, right? The overall shoulder with the shoulder press, that's either with the barbell, dumbbells, or machine. When you're gonna do legs, I would say start with squats. These are all mass building muscle. These are all mass building workouts. Okay, these are things that is gonna build mass. These are the foundation. Okay, this is the foundation. This is gonna give you. I'm not gonna say do isolation, but I know everybody wants to hit the isolation because we want to hit the barbell the biceps, right? But if you are gonna do any isolation movements, I would say hit the barbell curls, hit dumbbell curls, all variations, because these are the muscles that we see first, and this is what we want to hit, right? For back, I will start with pull-ups. Master the pull-ups. You'll hit the biceps, you'll hit the back at the same damn time. Okay, boom. Those are things that you definitely need to hit. If you are struggling with pull-ups, hit the assisted pull-ups. Assisted pull-ups definitely work the same if you do it right, okay? You gotta focus on, when you're doing assisted pull-ups, don't let it pull you up and down. You control it and focus on squeezing your back as hard as you can. Contract your back. To be honest, you could get a dope pump with just controlling and squeezing on assisted pull-ups. Pulling and squeezing your back as hard as you can. You know why? Because it keeps you up there, right? It's assisting you up there, but you can really focus on squeezing as hard as you can. All right? So I would say do that. But if you are struggling with pull-ups, or let's just say you can do pull-ups and you graduate and you want to do something a little more, add some nice thickness, I would say weighted pull-ups. And for width, I would do lat pull-downs. Lat pull-downs, focusing on squeezing your lats as hard as you can. Different variations, okay? So different grips is gonna hit different parts of your back. I would say deadlifts, right? Barbell deadlifts are good for the overall back, for your posterior chain, your legs, everything, glutes, everything. 4 sets to 10 reps. The reason why I say 4 sets to 10 reps, most people do, I think 3 sets of 6 to 8. They're doing that for power. I want you to do it for reps, because it's gonna build the muscle, and gradually you're gonna build the power, okay? Back in the days in the old school bodybuilding, they did for reps, meaning like 20 reps at a time. Squats, deadlifts, you know, they did everything for reps. But as you can see, the muscle definition was, for me, the density was better, because it was, you could see all the muscles, you could see the striations in the muscles, everything just looked more clear. Nowadays, it's like just mass monster. I'm not going for that look, but if you are, good for you, but that's not, you know, we want to see all the muscles. We want that 3D effect. The 3D effect, the only way you're going to build that is with high rep range, you know. And pyramids, you gotta really beat the muscles up, okay? Especially when if you're somebody that's struggling to grow, even if you're fat, let's just say you're a skinny guy going into the gym, or you're a heavyset guy going into the gym. I'm not gonna tell you, hey, listen, lose fat right away or go in bulk right away. For you skinny dudes, go in bulk right away. No, You want to build the muscle first, okay? Then it lets you know, cut down the fat or put on some weight, okay? Add some more. So right now, however you look, if you're skinny, you're fat, you're skinny fat, you're in between, whatever you are, you're perfect the way you are. You know why? Because you're new to the gym, and the new gains is going to show exactly where you want to get to and where you want to be and where you're going to get where you need to be, okay? So I would say you're perfect the way you are. Forget about how Tom, Dick, and Harry looks. Just focus on yourself, and trust me, you're going to get there. One thing I want to tell you is record your sets. The reason why I say record your sets, I still do it till now. And I do it because I want to make sure that my form is perfect. Make sure your form is perfect before you start adding that weight. When people start adding the weight with fucked up form is how you get injuries. I had horrible form for a long time because I was just trying to push the weight. All it was, hey, let's max out, let's do 315, 335. But the form, after a while, the form is good on one plate, two plate, you know. After then, I'm just trying to get the weight from A to B like a power lifter, but that's not my goal, is the power lift. But a lot of us mix it up, right? The reason why we mix it up is because you want an ego lift. You want to show your friends that, hey, listen, hey, bro, what do you lift? What do you bench? Oh, I bench 315. But the 315, you're getting it from A to B, but it's sloppy. And you're getting injured because you're benching like this. One arm is going here, one arm is going here, and boom, snap city. Now you got a shoulder injury from benching. A lot of us get shoulder injuries from benching. It's not from doing shoulder presses. No, majority of people that you speak to, majority of these professional bodybuilders that you see from previous years have gotten shoulder injuries from benching. Nowadays, if you look at these bodybuilders, a lot of them don't even use barbells to bench. A lot of them are using all these machines because the reason why is because it's in a fixed position and you're not going to get injured as somebody, and they don't go as heavy as you think. You get what I'm saying? Yes, so focus on that. Record your sets to focus on perfect form. All right, progressive overload. Progressive overload is just constantly adding weights weekly, right? Or progressive overload is just adding weights as time goes on. As you get stronger, you'll keep adding weight. You always want to progressively overload. You're going to get stronger. You're going to get bigger at the same time. And I would say increase the reps. People don't preach increase the rep range, but I would say increase your rep range. If you're doing 8 to 10, I would go 10 to 12. If you're doing 10 to 12, do 12 to 15. Once you hit that 15 to 20 reps, I'm telling you, you've mastered, your form should be perfect. You've mastered the weight, and you will definitely see the growth. Make sure your mind muscle connection is there. A lot of channels that you watch, they don't preach that mind muscle connection. But I'm telling you, if the mind muscle connection isn't there, you're not gonna grow. You're just gonna be one of those guys like a power lifter. Power lifters are usually out of shape. They don't really have the muscle definition. And the reason why is they don't need that to lift from A to B, to squat from A to B. No, you just need power. Bodybuilding is really focused on contracting the muscle. You want to be able to contract the muscle and squeeze the muscle as hard as you can. That's what bodybuilding is. We want to build the body. And that's exactly what you want to do. So make sure you put in your mind to the muscle. Focus on what muscle focus on what body part that you're working on on what muscle that you're working on and focus on squeezing as hard as you can. Control and squeeze the muscle, all right? That's progressive overloading, no. All right, nutrition. Nutrition is a big part of bodybuilding, guys. You want, for me, starting off, what we say is we want focus on that protein, guys. Lots of protein. If you're a heavy guy and you're trying to cut down on the carbs, increase the protein. Protein builds muscle. I'm keeping it nice and simple. I'm not a nutritionist. I'm a personal trainer, and this is what I do. So keep the protein high. Protein high meaning 1 pound per body, 1 gram per pound, meaning if you weigh 100 pounds, try to get 100 grams of protein in for the day, okay? Yeah, so I would say do that. And I'm telling you guys, you will put on muscle. They say 0.8, I'm telling you 1 gram per pound, 1 gram of protein per pound will definitely keep those gains and build those gains. That's what I'm currently doing right now. I ain't gonna lie, sometimes I don't get, I'm about 173 right now. I just lost about 15 pounds so the abs could show, right? I'm trying to get aesthetic, and I want to be a good example for the people that are watching my channel. I don't want to bullshit you. It's summertime, it's time to cut, and I want to show you I'm doing it natural. You know, this is a all natural bodybuilding channel, and yeah, this is what I'm doing. I'm keeping the carbs low, keeping the protein high. And how I incorporate my protein, because I know it's difficult to just be eating. I don't eat a lot, to be honest, but I take 2 scoops of protein in a day, in the morning, and then 2 scoops after my workout. Right there, that's like half of my protein intake right there. Because like 50 and 50, that's like 100. And then I probably get more than 200. So yeah, that's 50. And then the rest is food, you know, chicken, fish, tuna fish, throw some peanut butter into the shaker cup. It's just different. Chicken, you know, chicken is my main source of protein, period. And what else we got? Supplements, I just said protein shakes and creatine. Creatine definitely fills your muscles up with water, give you that full thickness, your muscles feel full, and it gives you strength. It helps you get that extra reps in and helps speeds up your recovery time. So you recover quicker and get back into the gym and do the same shit again. Yeah, man, this is the game, free game that I'm giving you guys. I would say there's no intimidation with going into the gym. Just go in. If you guys have any questions for me, leave it in the comment section. I appreciate when you do leave a comment because that's motivation to make more videos. And yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching it all the way through. If you like this type of content, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with another one. Peace.